Hello everyone, Sane here from Crypto Creed. Welcome back to your channel. This is the third part of the technical analysis series and is going to be about Power of 3, aka box setup. So, in this exact video I will be revealing this 5 steps and will show you how to identify Power of 3 and how to use it as a complete trading strategy. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. First we will go over the bullish Power of 3 and then we'll go over the bearish scenario. Step number 1, market enters into a range. This is going to be the accumulation phase where price bounces back and forth in a very tight range between a support and a resistance level. After that, market sells off below the range. This is going to be the manipulation phase of the market. This move to the downside has to be really fast and aggressive, and it's in this step that market generates the liquidity below some swing lows. This could be the range low or a swing low below that. And after generating the liquidity, price expands towards upside, breaking market structure with initiative displacement candles. This is the distribution phase. If you are not familiar with initiative candles, I've got a video explaining exactly what does this mean. I highly recommend you to watch that video by clicking on this link. But in a nutshell, what an initiative displacement candle really is, it's a really strong bullish candle in this case that has a very short wick and a very long and strong body of a candle. So after the distribution phase we then extend the range to the right side and we just wait for the price to retrace back into the range. As soon as price retests the range high, we enter a long position with stop loss below the range low, targeting distributions high and beyond that. Now, if things are not clear just yet, I guarantee they will be after we go over this example. So let's jump into it. Alright, here on the chart you can see that price sells off really aggressively, then after that enters into a really tight range where price bounces between a support and a resistance level. And this is going to be the accumulation phase. Then we can see the price sells off really aggressively below the range low, and generates liquidity below the swing low. This is the manipulation phase. After that price rallies towards upside really aggressively, with initiative candles which then breaks the market structure to the upside. So when this happens, we extend the range to the right side and we just wait for price to retrace back into that same range. As price approaches the range high, we place our long order with the stop loss below the range low, targeting the distributions high. Then after that we just wait for price to reach our target. Alright, now it's time to go over the steps for the bearish Power of 3. Bearish Power of 3 is similar to the bullish one but just in reverse. Step number 1, market enters into a range. This is going to be the accumulation phase. After that market aggressively rallies above the range and generates liquidity above swing highs. This is the manipulation phase. From there market expand towards downside, breaking market structure with initiative displacement candles to the downside, which is going to be the distribution phase. After that, we just extend our range to the right side and we wait for price to bounce back into the range. As soon as price retests the range low, we enter a short position with stop loss above the range high, targeting distributions low. Now let's go over an example for the bearish Power of 3 to clear everything for you. Here we have market rallying towards upside. After that it enters into a very tight range where it bounces back and forth between a support and a resistance area. This is the accumulation phase. After that market aggressively moves towards upside and takes out the range high, generating the liquidity above the range high, which is the manipulation phase. And from here market sells off really aggressively with displacement candles towards downside, breaking market structure to the downside. After this we just extend our range and wait for a price to bounce back into the range. And as soon as we get the retest of the range low we enter a short position with a stop loss above the range high, and targeting the displacements low. After price unfolds here, we can see that it hits the target. So this was the Power 3 strategy. One of the strongest and most powerful patterns in my trading book. Although you can use this strategy in any time frame, my preferred time frame for this strategy is between 5 to 15 minutes time frame. If you like this video and want to continue your learning journey, you can just click on this video that pops up on the screen, and it will take you to the next part of the series. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future updates. And if you have any questions you can just drop them in the comments section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. With that being said, Sane here from Crypto Creed. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. Till next time, take care and peace out.